All right, what's going on, YouTube? Welcome to the Jim of All Trades channel. Glad you made it by. My name's Jim. I am a crypto trader. I'm also a forex trader, but I'm here to help you understand the market from an Elliott wave perspective. Guys, I got a potential wave count here that I'm looking at that could take this current wave on the small time frame up, this last wave to the upside, up to about 68K. I want to show you what I'm looking at, show you the wave count, and at least consider those ideas. So don't forget, not financial advice. Will Bitcoin hit 68K? Let's see, but I want you to be mindful though that after 68K, I'm still looking for a pretty steep correction based on the DXY, the SPX. I'm looking at all these things together, and I see a big market crash coming very soon. But we could have a pretty big pump today, tomorrow. Yeah, today's what, Thursday? Yeah, today's Thursday, Friday pump. Watch out. Maybe even over the weekend pump, and then it could be dumping next week sometime. So want to look at that with you. Again, not financial advice. Let's jump in. Let me show you what I'm seeing, and we'll go from there. All right, on the macro scale, guys, I'm still looking at the bearish idea, but again, seeing a potential top up here at 68K to 70K in that ballpark. Let me show you what I'm seeing. I'm still looking at the macro idea that says that we could have an A, B, C flat working, okay? This is a three-wave flat. We're going to get basically an A, B, C in this wave, right? Oh, come on. An A, B, C in this wave right there. Going to go ahead and pull the fibs on that guy right there. Boom. It gets us up here to the 127 extension, about 68.50, 69K. I'm going to show you the small time frame. It's a small time frame wave that really has me thinking pretty high here, and this wave getting overextended. I'm going to show you what I'm seeing. We're going to see if it plays out or not. It may or may not play out, but I'm going to show you what I'm seeing at least, and you can understand at least why I'm thinking that. If you see me looking over here, I got a trade working as well, so I'm trading and YouTubing at the same time. Okay, all right. So anyway, so that's the idea here, that we're gonna get a 5-wave pullback to the downside. You can see my SPX chart as well. That basically I'm looking for a bit of a pullback here tomorrow. Potentially, and you know what? I'm not sure how that correlates with Bitcoin. Bitcoin may continue pumping. There may be a pullback. We'll see. But I'm looking for a pullback on the SPX here tomorrow, and then another pump up to a final high of about 4,500. 4,500 is the last hurrah. Let's see. Let me see about those fibs. Yeah, about 4,500 to 4,532. Back to retest the top in 3 waves. But guys, then it's going to be looking like it's down for the count after that. So I'm going to be watching that as well. All right. So with that said, and then the DXY. Let's see. Let me bring the DXY up. I thought I had it up, but I didn't from this morning. Sorry about that. Here we go. There's the DXY. Looking at the DXY. Looking for an ABC correction down to the downside of the hourly chart, down here to about 93K, not 93K, but 93, and then it's going to rally back to the upside. Looking at the 4-hour chart, that's what I'm looking at, target of about 96, the 1618 extension of these 3 waves down here. So if we zoom out just a little bit more, you can kind of see the ABC structure that I'm looking at right here. So looking for a move up to this region, okay? So DXY, I'm looking up, but it's got some more down to go. So I think that's going to give the SPX and Bitcoin their last hurrah, back up to the upside. And so that's what I'm looking on the macro scale. Now let me show you the micro wave count that's really got me looking at 68 in that ballpark. Let me show you what I'm seeing. We'll go to the small time frame here. We had, as the other day, I shared a video with this wave scenario. Boom, 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 like so. We had a 3-wave flat, and I said be looking for the upside. Well, what we've gotten here is what I believe is a 1-2 and a 1-2. Okay. Now the second 1-2 is the 1-2 of the 3rd wave to the upside. Now, if that's the case, now it's a big if, guys. It's a big if, but we're currently long from down here. And holding that for now, because I'm looking at major highs up here. But let me show you how we can. Let's just pull the fibs on the second 1-2 here and project where that's going to come. We'll look at that real fast. So I'm looking at 1, 2. We got 3 up here, up to 64K, 4, and then 5. Okay, that's the way the 3rd wave will go. Okay, what that's going to do. Get in the 6-hour chart. That's going to retest the top. Okay, we're going to get up here at the top, and we're going to retest it. Now we're going to probably get that's just the third wave that I just shared with you. Okay, so that's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's just the third. Now what we're going to then look for basically is we got a 1, 2, all that's 3. We get 4, and then 5, and that gets us up to about 68. It gets us up here till the 2618, breaking the top, getting everybody bullish as you can think of. Bull, bull, bull. Everybody, we're going to the moon, and then that's what flats. That's when flats do their thing. They break the top, get everybody bullish, and then they come down very fast. And I can see all the markets kind of coming together to paint this picture. So this is a very, very bullish wave. Looking for an extended fifth wave up here to about 68, 69K. Could hit 72 even, 72,000. As well. So we'll see where that comes. But that's basically what we're looking at, guys. That's what I'm thinking right now based on the current wave structure. Again, we make changes all the time to our analysis. As the wave structure develops, we make changes. Okay, we go long, we go short based on what we're seeing in the market. We had a great live this morning. I was live for about 3 hours this morning, trading the waves this morning and watching them develop, and then developing a trade setup that allowed people to get long on this current wave that we're getting. And so we're at least a potential long here that's setting up to the upside. Again, nothing is for certain. It could come down. We understand that. We have good risk management along with that. So we're watching this wave as it comes. So basically what I'm looking for in the very small time frame, if I go down to the 3-minute chart, very small time frame here. Oh, come on. Let's go to the one. How about the 2-minute chart? Yeah, there we go. We got a nice impulse off a 3-wave correction down here. We got an impulse. We got a 3-wave pullback. Actually, it's not quite finished. I think it's going to do something like this, retest the bottom, and then head on up to the upside. That's at least the idea for now. And so we're looking for this 3-wave move. If that plays out, we'll enter long again, add to our position. Our stops are right underneath there. That's a good way to think about it, at least a good way to trade at low risk. Not financial advice, not trading advice, just some ideas as we see the current information now. If the wave changes, we're going to change with it. But that said, that's what the Discord's for, guys. If you want help changing with the wave, as the wave gives us information, we do real-time analysis, and we change with the wave, guys. So if you need help with that, love to have you in the Discord. It's very reasonably priced. It is the middle of the month, but you still get a lot of value for your money. So would love to have you in, give you a warm welcome into the Discord. With that said, I hope you guys have a great day. Just want to give you a quick wave update, what we're looking for. Hey, maybe 68K, guys. That's a potential. So let's see what happens. With that said, you guys have a great day. Please use stops, and remember that analysis doesn't have to play out. So keep that in mind, okay? It's just an idea I wanted to present to you, and the way the waves are looking, we'll see what happens. So yeah, leave some love in the comments. Tell me what you think. Tell me what your ideas are, and hit the likes and subscribe. Appreciate all that YouTube algorithm stuff, so that it helps me, it helps my family, and it helps the channel. All right, have a great day. Thanks. Bye bye.